Hi, second grade, and welcome to math class. We will be doing a test today. So let's review a few things before we do your test. We have a few things on the board. Now, all these things you've learned before because it's just review, and on your test, it's a review test of things that you learned throughout the year. So pretty much everything will be you've been thinking about for a while already. So it shouldn't be too difficult. Let's fill in these numbers here on the board. We're going to be going by 50s. So before 450, we have 400. After 450 comes 500. Before 900 comes 850. 900, 950. Before 1000 up here, we have 950. And then 1050, which would be written like that. Before 350, we have 300. After 350 comes 400. Okay, so this is writing numbers with words. So we have 70. 70 is spelled S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 80 is spelled E-I-G-H-T-Y. 50 is spelled F-I-F-T-Y. 90 is N-I-N-E-T-Y. Okay, so we have also difference and sum. Whenever we subtract, we have difference. Be careful in your test today that you spell it correctly. So we have 15 minus 8 is 7, and difference is spelled D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. 9 plus 6 is 15, and that is a sum, so S-U-M makes sum. Okay, for this problem, we're going to figure out the estimate for it, estimate answer. So 59, if you estimate that to the nearest 10, that would be 60. And then 35 to the nearest 10 would be 40. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 4 is 10, 100 is your answer. Here we have subtraction problems. We might need to borrow, and so whenever your number is less on the top, you will then, whenever the number is less on the top of the middle number, you will need to borrow. So 3 minus 9, 3 is less than 9, we need to borrow, put a 1 beside the 3, cross out the 6, put a 5 on top. 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 8, we can't go 5 minus 8, so we need to borrow again. 15 minus 8 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4,074. And again today, don't forget your commas. If you have dollar signs, don't forget your dollar signs. Yeah, just try to remember all those things. And so let's look at this problem now. 0 minus 7, we can't go 0 minus 7, so we'll need to put a 1 beside the 0, cross out this 0, and put a 9 on top. And cross this 0 out right away. Since we put a 9 on top of 0, we have to keep going to the next numbers and put a 9 on top of that, cross out the 8 and put a 7 on top. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4, so 4,213. Okay, here we have an addition sign, so we need to add. So 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 9 is 15. So your answer is 1,524. And let's review the clock again. So the shorthand is called the hour hand, and the longer hand is called the minute hand. We always write the hour hand down first, and the hour hand goes exactly by the numbers that it says, and the minute hand goes by 5s around the clock. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and o'clock. So now it is 11:05. Now it is 11:25. $11:45. It's not quite 12 o'clock yet, so it's 11:45. So now it is 12 o'clock. Okay, and let's do this story problem here. It says Noah had $6.72. He spent $4.32. How much money does he have left? So we'll underline our key numbers and words first of all. And we have left, so left, when we have left, we will subtract because he had money taken away from him, he spent it. So we will subtract to find the answer. 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. So your answer is $2.40, and we'll just write it up here also. Okay, so $2.40 is your answer. All right, let's review the money coins here. We have penny here is 1 cent. We go by ones with pennies. Nickel is 5 cents. Go by fives for nickels. Dime is 10 cents. Count by tens for dimes. Quarter is 25 cents. We go by 25s for quarters. There he is, and there's the equal. And here is the half dollar, so half dollars go by 50 cents. 50 cents is half dollar. Okay, and yes, so we have also equivalents. We should probably go over those. Half a dozen is 6 things. 1 year is 12 months. 1 quart is 4 pints. 1 pint is 2 cups. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 dozen equals 12 things. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 week equals 7 days. And yeah, then you have your fractions here. So this is 1/3. 1/3 is shaded. It has 3 parts altogether, and 1 is shaded, so 1/3 is shaded. 1/2 is shaded here, 2 parts, and 1 is shaded, so it is 1/2. 3/4 of this one's shaded. We have 4 parts, and 3 are shaded, and 1/4 is shaded here, so 4 parts. 4 is your bottom number, and 1 is shaded, so 1/4 is shaded. And for this one, 2/3 of it is shaded. 3 is your bottom number because that's how many parts we have, and 2 parts are shaded. Okay, yeah, I am going to let you go ahead with your test now. You have 4 sides to do. Be really careful with them, and yeah, just follow your directions on it. Looking on number 20, you will count by 2s from 20 to 40. So you're going to be counting by 2s on number 20. Make sure that you start with 20 and go to 40. Number 21, you're going to be counting by 5s from 5 to 55. So make sure you start with 5 and go by 5s all the way to 55. Number 22 is counting by 10s, starting with 10. So make sure you start with 10 and go all the way to 110 is going to be your last number. Okay, yeah, remember to be careful, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.